Hello there. Today, we're going to make a thank you card that's simple and yet stylish. By keeping it achromatic, we'll produce a classic appearance that's ideal for showing appreciation to your customer or client. Let's get started. Open your Canva account and design with me. Follow the step-by-step guide on how I lay out the design for this card. You can pause or rewind the video if you find it too quick so you can easily catch up. Please let me know where you are from in the comments section so I can say hello to you in my future video. Almost done. Let's add more details into it and finalize the design. have it, a simple thank you card. I also created several layout designs similar to this one. Please feel free to check my newly opened shop on Shopee and Lazada. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I love hearing from you guys. And if you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.